Hey there, Brock Elementary parents. It is Miss Griffith here with your Brock Elementary update. First off, I just want to say, I know that it's been a hard week for parents, for us as educators, and for a lot of our kids. But I will say this: I have appreciated greatly the support of the community. And here at school, when our kids walk in the door here at Brock Elementary, it's really been a great week. Our kids have been doing great things, and this is a happy place to be. And so we take it very seriously that you share your kids with us every day. And I felt all week that it's been very important for me to share with you guys that when we have situations like this occur, it does raise awareness in the community about, the importance of safety in our schools. But I want you to know that this is something that we talk about and prepare for all the time. And so thinking about the safety measures that we need to have in place and thinking about them, practicing them, talking about them, and reflecting on our practices is something that we do before school starts and we continue to do throughout the entire year because it is absolutely one of the most or the most important thing that we do when your kids walk in this building every day. So please know that yes, there have been heightened measures this week, but every day we are ready to protect our kids. And I think that's very important for everybody to know that as we move forward and get back to the awesome things that we do here in Brock ISD. And so, in saying that, we have a bunch of fun things. First of all, I want to say that the parade last night, bonfire and community pep rally was just really just a true example of what we get to do here in Brock ISD. It was community, it was smiling, it was fun, and we just were celebrating our kids, which is my favorite thing to do. So tomorrow we'll have Fly Friday here at Brock Elementary. It'll be a short one as we do head over to the pep rally tomorrow at the high school, and then we will get back to our normal day. On Monday, it is an in-service day for our kids, and so our teachers will be here. We have a lot of really good learning opportunities for our teachers as the kids are at home resting, playing, or whatever they're doing. So I hope you guys enjoy that time off with your kiddos. Um, and then next Wednesday, we're going to wear orange for fairness. We're switching up our character trait for the 6 weeks, and we'll be talking a lot about what's fair and what's not fair and all that as we go through the 6 weeks. Um, Many of you guys will start to hear from teachers as if you haven't already had parent conferences for whatever reason, we'll start to set up parent conferences with all of our parents to make sure we're touching base and just sharing how your kids are progressing through the school year. We also have fall pictures on the 3rd, which you guys will be getting more information about that ASAP. And then October 8th, we do not have school. Something else that's coming up that is huge for Rock community, if you've never experienced this before, is Fall Festival. And so there will be lots of details coming home soon about Fall Festival, and we hope that you guys are able to come out and support us on this wonderful night of just fun, games, community, and just raising money for the school. So it's a great thing. One more thing I did want to say, going back to what I was saying earlier, I did include the letter that Mr. Smith, our superintendent, sent out yesterday, kind of outlining what he could share about the situation that had occurred earlier in the week. But if you needed to see that letter, you can go down there and look. So if you guys I'm hoping that you have a great weekend, and I hope to see you guys at the football game tomorrow night. Even if it's a little rainy, it's going to be a great game, and we're excited for a great week next week and many weeks to come. So hope y'all have a great one. Go Eagles.